Recognizable by its copper skin and vibrant orange flesh, sweet potatoes have become a health-conscious favorite. Chefs now use them in place of white potatoes in fries, dips, stews, soups, curries, and even desserts like brownies and pies. Their popularity is due to both their taste and impressive nutritional benefits. 1. Digestive disorders. If you have digestive issues, consider adding sweet potatoes to your diet. They contain soluble and insoluble fiber, which help regulate digestion. Soluble fibers absorb water and add bulk to stool, while both types can be fermented by gut bacteria to produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish your intestinal lining. Eating 20 to 33 grams of fiber daily may lower the risk of colon cancer and improve bowel movements. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants that promote healthy gut bacteria, potentially reducing the risk of conditions like IBS and infectious diarrhea. 2. Protect vision. Boiling sweet potatoes makes their nutrients more absorbable than roasting or frying. Cooking them with the skin on and adding a bit of fat like coconut or olive oil can enhance the absorption of beta-carotene, a fat-soluble nutrient. The bright orange color of sweet potatoes, due to beta-carotene, supports vision by converting to vitamin A, essential for eye health. 1 cup of baked sweet potatoes provides over 7 times the daily recommended beta-carotene, helping to prevent vision issues like xerophthalmia. Additionally, anthocyanins in sweet potatoes protect eye cells from damage. 3. Immune system. If you swap white potatoes for sweet potatoes, keep portions small as they have a high glycemic index. Sweet potatoes' beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A in the body, boosts immunity and supports gut health by maintaining mucous membranes and reducing inflammation, protecting against disease. 4. Brain function. Eating sweet potatoes may strengthen and maintain your brain function. Studies conducted on animals have found that the anthocyanins in them can protect the brain by reducing inflammation and preventing free radical damage. In addition to this, they might improve learning and memory. That said, no studies have been conducted on humans to fully validate this benefit. 5. Prevent cancer. Antioxidants have been known to fight free radical damage and stave off cancer. Both test tube and animal studies have found that anthocyanins in sweet potatoes may slow down the growth of bladder, colon, stomach, and breast cancer cells. That said, studies have yet to check if the same effects can be determined in humans.